Hello and welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Today's video is about how to make $250 a day as a teen. Before we begin, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more. Here we go. Making money and doing real businesses and doing stuff as actual value takes time, and it takes energy, and it takes effort, and it takes consistency, and you will want to quit. You'll have bad days and you'll lose motivation, but what matters the most is being consistent. If you create content or you work on your e-commerce store, if you do any of those things that we're going to be talking about today, consistently every day for a year you will be successful. It's not a question of if you will be successful, but most people will give up long before they ever actually reach that success. And trust me when I tell you the reward is always greater than the sacrifice and nothing good comes easy. Now, with so many different opportunities out there with millions of different ways to make money on the internet, and everyone's talking about their new method on Facebook ads or YouTube ads, how do you sort through all the millions of different opportunities out there to figure out what is legit and what's not? There are 3 different ways to make money on the internet successfully. You either sell a service, sell a product, sell information, and basically all successful ways to make money on the internet. So those 3 things are selling a service, selling a product, or selling information. And we're going to be talking about some of the best strategies to make money using each of these different methods. Number 4, digital marketing. Digital marketing might sound complicated, but it's actually relatively easy. You see the ads in your Facebook feed and your Instagram feed and your Snapchat feed on Google. Right, those ads are the ads that actually run the world. That's where most successful companies are spending their primary portion of their advertising and marketing budgets, and it's honestly probably the most profitable usage of your time. The beautiful thing about the internet is that the world's information is literally at your fingertips. If you actually have the dedication to sit in front of your computer, open up YouTube, read some blogs, you can learn how to do anything.
Those big brands, you can rest assured that you'll get a great return on your investment. Your website.
Number 3, social media management. Once you have an idea of what it is and what it actually entails, so many companies are out there. Nowadays, everyone's on social media. Walmart has an Instagram account, Wendy's has a meme Twitter account where they make fun of everything right, and so companies actually do social media significantly better than others. And the ones who do it the best generally are the ones who are actually getting the most views and eyes and free marketing and advertising and doing the best on social media. So what you can do is actually get good at creating content for Instagram or creating content for Facebook pages. If you look, most of the big and successful companies out there are constantly publishing content.
Change with the times and innovate.
Number 2, affiliate marketing. You can make money through affiliate marketing, promoting other products, promoting services like Acorn or Webull or Robinhood or a digital course or software. So many different ways are there to make money with affiliate marketing. The truth is, guys, some of the highest paid people I know are influencers with large followings because the numbers and matches get really, really crazy.
How others are using this strategy to generate a full-time income.
Number 1, e-commerce. E-commerce has been without a doubt the number 1 biggest trending industry over the last 10 years, far surpassing stocks and real estate and anything else out there. And if you want proof of this, just look at Shopify and Amazon meteoric rise in the stock market. As companies and how more people have become millionaires with e-commerce than any other industry in the last decade. Now, there are so many different types of e-commerce out there. There's drop shipping, there's Amazon, there's a lot of different places to start now. Depending on what your budget is, you would probably want to start in different places. Now, if you have a few $1,000s to get started, I would definitely recommend Amazon FBA every single day. But if you don't have much time and much money to start, what I recommend is using a tool like a Shop Inspect to actually find viral products and products that are trending and actually selling a huge amount very recently, and then riding those waves, actually selling those viral dropshipping products, which you can do for a very tiny amount of capital getting started. Now, how do you do this? Well, you want to look for dropshipping products with a wow factor, something that's actually going to make someone stop scrolling on their Instagram or Facebook feed. Generally, what I recommend beginners actually start selling is gadgets. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch our 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.